guests, Mayor Engineer Dionisio Neil A. Valide, Public School District Supervisor Sir Sergito L. Romero, to our Honorable ST Member, Honorable Ramil Vite, to our ABC President and Chairman of the Committee for Education, Honorable Elsa Galasio, our Barangay Captain of Panian, Fabian Namalata, our SK Chairman of ANAS, our guest speaker, Mary Joy Salisi Salugsugan, RPM, to our school principal, Mrs. Evelyn Serjales, our Barangay Captain, Honorable Asterio Salise, our respected teachers, beloved classmates, and supportive parents, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Standing here today, I carried with me not just medals from the pool or grades from the classroom, but stories of discipline, sacrifice, and perseverance. As a student athlete, I learned that success is not measured only by victories, but by the courage to balance two worlds, the world of academics and the world of sports. There were times na need na humatin o ka-classy morning until 3 p.m. dyan. After magdali na sad ko, ilis ka mag-training. Nga na dyan ako cycle every time nga na ay upcoming nga swimming competition. But even though nga dili jud siya lalim idungan, I stood firm and I was trained with discipline and determination. Guided by my coaches, Ma'am Jessa May Samson, Ma'am Delia Casapos, and Sir Gisril Daling, whose patience and encourage keep me moving forward. Thank you kaayo ninyo, ma'am, sir. 9 times nga kapay kaayo akong lawas kay lagi ka-training, but I still need to study kay lagi my exam. So I keep myself determined and reminded myself of my goal, even when fatigue whispered that I should give up. Determination reminds me why I started. Swimming taught me endurance while academic taught me excellence. Together, they shaped me into someone who strived not just to finish the race, but to finish strong. Balancing academic and swimming was never easy, but I learned to manage my time with discipline. I made sure to finish assignments during breaks, review lessons late at night after training, and wake up early to prepare for exams. It means sacrificing leisure and comfort, but it also taught me responsibility. Each day, I reminded myself that both academics and sport are part of my dreams. So I give each effort it deserves. In the pool, I trained my body. In the classroom, I trained my mind. And together, they strengthened my spirit. This journey was never easy. Behind every achievement were countless hours of practice, sleepless nights, and moments of doubt. But each challenge became a stepping stone, each failure a lesson, and each success a reminder that hard work truly pays off. Beyond the classroom and the pool, I also carried the weight of financial struggles. Our mama was stroked in the year 2020.
Na. Dilak. Dilak na mama na stroke man mama. Na stroke na mama.
Our mama was struck in this year 2021, and our world seems to collapse. She could no longer work, yet her strength and courage to continue to inspire me. Ang papa is a construction worker. Just usahay if wala siya trabaho kay managbo si papa din iyan ibaligya para lang makapalit miyog bugas or uban pa namong need. Even though kapoy na si papa, he still strives so hard to provide our needs. 9 times nga makakita ko ni Papa nga gatrabaho sa construction or gaasa og pambot ja init kayo. Mag-uod jud ang dughan. I know nga halos kitang tanan jud makarelate. Dili jud siya lalim, sakit kaayo tan-awon. The same time, proud ko kaayo na grabe kaayo paningkamot si Papa para sa amuha. That's why every time I see them, I have so many reasons to strive and pursue my dreams. Their sacrifices reminded me that success is not only about medal or grades, but about the love and perseverance of families who give everything so their children can dream bigger. Their strength became my strength, and their resilience became my inspiration. And so, I want to take this moment to thank my parents, to my father who taught me the value of hard work, and to my mother who showed me the meaning of courage even in pain. This achievement is much yours as it is mine. Everything I do, I carry your love and sacrifice with me. I promise to strive harder so that all of your sacrifices and hard work will never be in vain, but will be worth it. Salamat, Mapa. I also want to thank my friends Stephanie, Jamie, Goldie, Chloe, and Clarissa. Thank you for the laughter that eased my stress, the encouragement that lifted me when I felt tired, and the companionship that reminded me I was never alone in this journey. Your friendship gave me strength and joy, and I will always treasure the bond we share. Today, as we move up, I want to remind my fellow students that success is not a destination. It is a capsule we build every day with discipline, resilience, and passion. Each lesson learned, each lap completed, each challenge overcome becomes part of the capsule. And when we open it in the future, it will remind us of the strength we built here. Let us also remember to thank our parents and treasure them, for their sacrifices are the foundation of our success. To our teachers and parents, thank you for believing in us even when we struggle. To my classmates, may we carry this capsule of success into the next chapter of our lives, ready to face bigger waves and higher challenges. Above all, I thank God for He is the source of my strength, the light in my journey, and the reason I am able to stand here today. Without His guidance and grace, none of these achievements would have been possible. As a swimmer, I know that every lap brings me closer to the finish line. As a student, I know that every lesson brings me closer to my dreams. And as a moving up students today, I know that this is only the beginning of greater victories ahead. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who believe in the future of their dreams. Let us continue to believe, to strive, to swim towards success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jasmine, for that inspiring message. At this point, may I call on Ms. Rhea Faustine Lagare for the introduction of our guest speaker. A big hand, please.